Instead of guessing what data is available, Minexa.ai automatically discovers and ranks relevant fields, so extracting air quality data is fast and simple for everyone. Open the site. Minexa.ai detects the structure instantly, ready to extract air quality data from aqicn.org. Open the Minexa.ai extension. This is where you start extracting data from any web page in seconds. Press the button, so Minexa.ai begins analyzing how the page is built and how its data is distributed visually and structurally. The scraper does not stop at page 1. Minexa.ai detected the pagination and follows all pages on every run. Choose List Only for faster scraping and lower credit usage, or Detail pages when you need the full content sitting behind each row. Click Continue if the data is already visible. Switch to Advanced mode if you need to trigger something on the page first. Click Create Scraper if the highlighted section looks right. Minexa.ai will pick the most stable way to read this page for consistent extraction every time. Every field is detected and structured. Text, links, images, and nested data are all ready. You can select air quality indexes, pollutant levels, and timestamps, or include everything at once. Click API Request to get a Python request you can reuse across different projects without changing the extraction logic. Nothing gets guessed. Click Complete Configuration, and any missing field will always show as blank. Every page is included. The navigation pattern is saved and applied automatically each time this scraper runs. Your job is ready to go. If you need this data on an ongoing basis, a recurring schedule can be configured right here. Click Run and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. This entire dataset was produced by a scraper that is now saved to your account. You can run it again right now through the extension or API without any retraining across as many URLs as you need. Extracted data includes air quality index, pollutant concentrations, and environmental parameters, all structured for easy analysis. Download the results. Each row maps to one item on the page in a clean and predictable format. Install Minexa.ai and go from any website to a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, no maintenance.